Stay tuned to see how I created these monogrammed baby birth stats keepsakes. So I'm going to start by staining these little wood rounds that I got from the Dollar Tree. I actually got this ideal from Munee off of YouTube and Instagram, and I'm going to link her video below in the description so you can check out her Cricut Dollar Tree keepsakes that she created. And here you see me just cutting out the decorations that are gonna go around the keepsakes. And so here I'm weeding out the decorations, and next I'm just kind of measuring to see where I want my initials to go for my middle initial for each of the keepsakes. I'm doing one for my niece, who of course gave birth to my great niece, and then one for my friend who just had her first baby. And so here I am just kind of marking to see where the middle initial will sit once I apply the vinyl to the keepsake. And here I am just using my Cricut app to size the initials, and you want to use little scrap pieces, if you have it, of vinyl. That way you're not wasting. And I'm going to keep repeating this process and then applying it using my transfer tape. And you can take your time so that each little detail gets applied to the transfer tape. It is a little tedious, but the end result is well worth it. And I'm going to repeat this process on both of the keepsakes, and then I'll be adding the middle initials. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut out their first name. So for my friend's baby, his name is Christian, and for my great niece, her name is Alayla. Now I also covered these with Mod Podge to seal in everything. And here are the completed DIY monogrammed baby birth stats keepsakes. I am so proud of how they came out. This was my first time making anything like this, and I love them, and I think that they will make really great gifts for both my niece and my friend. And on the back of each one of these, I actually have the baby's birthdays and their weight at their birth. I didn't want to put that information on camera. And when you watch J Monee's video, she actually shows a different format that you can use where you'll be able to fill in that information. Make sure you watch her video and tell her that Haiku Creations sent you. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I had so much fun creating these keepsakes, and I know that both my niece and my friend will love them. I really enjoy these. Let me know if you guys want me to put these on my Etsy to allow you to have me custom make them for you. Also, make sure that you like this channel, share it with a friend, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. Alright, love you guys. Bye.